Hello everybody, this is Rachel Fierick. I am the Riveredge Scientist in Residence for the West Bend School District, and I am here today to tell you about my favorite first sign of spring. Sometimes you go hiking in the spring and you might smell something a little skunky. Well, that is our skunk cabbage that comes out. So I'm going to show you the flower that comes out and what it looks like before the flower even comes out. If you notice right here, there is kind of this horn. And this is what the students were seeing a lot of a couple weeks ago. And this is kind of the casing to that flower that comes out. And here's the flower. The flower is this most brilliant purple. I'll show you some more over here. And they're just incredible. They're really bright and vibrant, especially when things aren't super bright and vibrant out in nature right now. The smell for us might not be great, but those insects that are pollinators, they love to come find these guys. So if you take a look, you can see there's already a ton of pollen that's happening, and those insects are coming out and finding them. After those flowers leave us, then we get these big leaves. They're about 2 feet long, maybe about a foot wide, and they smell a lot skunkier than the flowers. But I encourage you guys to take a walk and do some practicing of that social distancing, but get out there and try to find a wet spot that has these incredibly beautiful purple flowers out. And then we'll also share a picture with you in fall. It creates these fruits that are like geometric shapes. They almost look like a mushroom, but they're not. So I just encourage you to find a spot that might be a little bit wet and just go exploring for those beautiful purple flowers today. Have a great day, everybody. Enjoy.